Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best mobile gaming tips and tricks. Today, I've got something epic for you. A super easy way to get unlimited gold coins with Grand Criminal Online Hack Tutorial. No complicated steps, no special tools, just a simple hack method that works on both iOS and Android. No jailbreak, no root, no computer needed. I've tested it myself, and trust me, it's a game changer. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it, step by step. Let's jump in. First, we need to find your user ID. This is super important for the next steps. Just open Grand Criminal Online, head over to your profile settings, and you'll find your user ID. Be sure to copy it somewhere because we're going to need it soon. Got it? Great. Let's keep going. Next, open up your preferred web browser and go to this special website. This platform provides hack tools for multiple mobile games and apps. Once you're there, use the search function to find Grand Criminal Online Hack and click on it to access the dedicated resource page. Easy so far, right? Let's keep going. On this page, you'll see a form where you need to enter some details. Pick your platform and enter your username. Double-check your details to avoid errors, then hit the Proceed button. Now, the system will start syncing with the game's servers. This part is fully automated and completely safe. Just wait a few moments. Once your account is linked, you'll see a resource selection menu. Choose how much resource you want and click the Proceed button to start injecting the mod. The system will begin processing, encrypting, running security checks, and making sure everything works smoothly. This can take a minute or two, so just sit back and let it do its thing. Before you can claim your resources, there's just one last step, a quick verification. This ensures that you're a real player, not a bot. Usually, you might need to install a free app and perform some simple task. Super easy, and it only takes a couple of minutes. If you're not sure what to do, don't worry. The website has a step-by-step video guide to walk you through it. Once you finish the verification, your resources will be added almost instantly. I already tested it earlier and check this out. My gold coins balance is loaded and now I can play without any limits. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, right? If this guide helped you, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget, subscribe for more awesome gaming content and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.